This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is it. Welcome to issue 91 of building Eleanor, another very substantial part of the kit. This, as you can tell, is the main body, and it's again a beast. This whole chunks here are solid metallic metal zincide or whatever they call it. So yes, this is the start of something massive. It's really nice. Again, obviously nice paintwork, crisp, sharp lines. And all going together very well. Well, I'm assuming bits are going to go together very well. We're going to find out in a minute, because our first job is to attach the front end that we built up over the last few weeks. That just slots in place on the front there, like that, making this just about the right size, maybe a little bit too big for the bench. So that is held in place with 4 screws, 2 on either side. If I can turn that over. Like that. There we go. That's probably the best way of doing things. We need 4 of these supplied screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Where's my screwdriver go? That's an interesting point. I'll put that out the way over there. There we go. Let's bring that back into play. So we've got these 2 here and these 2 here. Go through the 4 holes there. So this needs to be higher, that needs to be lower, so that's probably where I'm going to do it. Bring that in, line that up, and let's get a screw in. Sorry if this is right at the edge, but that's the size of the build denotes where I can build it, really. So let's get one in there. Don't think that's biting, that's not lining up quite right. Feels like it's lined up, but for some reason it isn't. I think it must have to go in just a little bit further. That side feels different. That side feels better. That's more flush across the top here. So let's see if I can get a screw in that side. That doesn't feel quite right either. Try the other one. That feels like a screw going in a screw hole. Yeah, that one's in. It's not in very far, but it's in. Let's try that one on the other side. Move things in and around a little bit. No, that's not lining up. Right, I'm going to have to get this at an angle where I can see what I'm doing, and we'll see if I can get them lined up. But assuming it all goes together, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Right, there we go. That's that all attached. It was just a case of getting everything lined up properly, but that's all on there, nice and secure, and looking pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. That's already looking substantial. I like it. I like it a lot. I didn't realise it was only a 2-door, but obviously it's only a 2-door. So there we go. That's that. There are some more issues in this pack. We've got a couple of little things to do, but this is probably the quickest build of the pack. So I shall move it off the bench. We'll bring in the magazine and we'll have a look and see what's happening in this volume. This is volume 24 of Building Eleanor. As you can tell, we've done this bit already. This was the first part, joining the front to the main body. Next time we've got some extra detail bits to add to the outside. 4 little panels by the looks of it to add on. Oh, and a fuel cap. There we go, nice and easy on that. And then we've got the hood springs and hinges. Lots of stuff to do. I've got to dig out the hood from way back in issue 1, was it? It's certainly an early one. So we've got a couple of springs to do on this, so it'll obviously hold it open and closed better, or hold it open rather. So we get that on there. That's going to start looking good. And that, there we go. And then we've got the windshield washer fluid pump and pipes. So adding some more detail to the inside of this front part. And that will be it. So that's another issue done. The third Eleanor film. There wasn't a third Eleanor film, was there? What? Oh, it was Deadline Auto Theft, apparently, in 1983. I don't remember it. Deadline Auto Theft DVD. Okay, interesting. Gone in 60 seconds too. I'll have to track that down. I'm not aware of that one. The soundtrack, gone in 60 seconds. Yeah, it's got lots of good films in there. Jerry Bruckheimer, the original movie, yeah, all that. So Samantha is another car, 99 Mercedes-Benz S600, very luxury car, posh fleet car sort of thing, yeah. And Gina, the Lamborghini Diablo. So it was 2 in there. They didn't mention Samantha on the back of the other one. That's a nice looking car as well. I like that. Never mass produced, but yeah, very, very, very cool. Looks fast even when it's parked up, doesn't it? There we go. So the 2012 Mustang Boss 302. They always picture them really low, so they look really big front end, even though they're already a really big front end. But that's that. So next time, I haven't got this delivery yet, but this is what happens next time. Not sure what that is. That says the front support and wiring tabs. Oh, because the wires are just a bit out of it at the moment. So adding bits to that. The trunk lid and lock. Lower rear body part and trunk hinges, and the left rear light, or rear left right light. So start off the light, and then we've got to do the other light, and we've got the front end. So yeah, when I finish this pack, I will be putting the car together-ish. I think we've got both doors as well, haven't we? So we really are coming into the final straight. So yeah, interesting and very close to completion. So that's it for this pack, this delivery rather. No, it isn't. That's it for this build. There's more things to build in this delivery. So I'll see you for that in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.